What's up, everyone? It's time once again for a weekly watch list, and I have some solid levels for us today, and I also have an announcement towards the middle of this, so be sure you stick around for that. But as always, before we get started, be sure to subscribe to my channel, click that thumbs up button, and click that bell icon so you do not miss on any upcoming videos. So let's just get started with SPY here. This is our bread and butter, right? It's our go-to for options trades. So let's take a look at this trend we have on the daily. You can clearly see we're in a daily downtrend, right? Why? Because you can see here we're making lower highs and lower lows, right? Come down, form this nice trend line you can see I drew out here. So we come down, touch, touch. We broke here, right? Insane we had that many gap up days in a row, but we broke here. Now we're coming back up. We're going to test to see if we can break above this previous lower high. This is going to be a key area because we break out of that. We're breaking out of the daily downtrend, right? This 438.1 is going to be a big area. I'm going to be watching it for a possible reject or a break above for calls, okay? Use what confirmation you use for your trading. Watch this level as I'm going to be doing. If it confirms to the downside, I'm going to test puts there. We have, like a huge increase in buying volume, crazy momentum. I'm going to be looking to go long above that level. I may even wait on a retest for a little safer entry. SPX, I did add a couple levels here from last week. This is basic support and resistance, everyone. Those have been with me for a while, you know how I use these. You can use these to trade futures, ES futures based off these levels. Tends to work well, especially for scalps. You can catch bigger moves. Just be sure you're managing your trade right. You don't want to take a trim, then leave your stop loss out and let it knock out all your profits then some. So let's manage your trade. And I trade SPY options based off these levels all the time. I'm watching all three when I'm in a trade. And for the little announcement I had, I'm working on some simple PDFs for you all. It's basically going to help you hold yourself accountable before you take a trade. And it's going to have some rules I keep, okay? So if you're interested in receiving that, you need to go grizzlytrades.com. You need to subscribe to my email list. It takes like 5 seconds and it's 100% free. Now let's take a look at Apple here, ticker AAPL. This is going to be a big stock to watch this coming week. You can see this trend line on the daily here. We came up, tested, rejected, filled this gap. Now we're coming back up, okay? I'm very interested in seeing if we can break above that. This level here is going to influence SPY. If we have that next push up, if we break above that lower high on SPY, I'm going to be watching this. I'm going to be watching this for a possible day trade as well. So same thing here. We can take the breakout for calls, or we can wait on it, come back down and retest this area once it does break out, probably for a safer entry because we can kind of watch and maybe let it reclaim before we enter. Something like that. That's what I'm going to watch personally. And that's all I have for this week. I hope you all have an amazing week trading. Let's just promise each other right now we're not going to go on tilt. We're not going to trade letting our emotions run wild. We're going to control ourselves, follow our plan, and we can accept losing trades, right? Nothing wrong with a losing trade. They happen. We accept them. We manage them accordingly, and we go on about our day. So let's do this, everyone. Appreciate you all for joining in, and I'll see you next time.